S5. I need to go to the other. Here it is, okay? S5 got off. No. Yes.
I will tell you when.
Got off.
Command dispatch Widena.
Commander 5 has been sent. Copy.
You can start removing this. Power in 10 seconds.
Got off.
Ready.
S6.
Выдано.
Sent.
Команда S6 выдана.
The Commander 6 has been sent.
Принято, спасибо.
Copy, thank you.
Ждем открытия станционного люка.
We're waiting for the station hatch to open, and then we're going to execute the steps in the box. Copy, standing by.
Сергей, и еще надо будет
Sergey, also
из мину первого.
you need to transfer BNP with 3 gas masks to Beowulf from room 1 when you're performing the deactivation steps. Okay.
And now we're getting to see some of the crew members on board the station right now. You can see Fyodor Yurchikhin there already in the way back. Peggy Whitson just floating in there, and Jack Fisher in the corner on the left there. Those are the 3 current Expedition 52 crew members that are going to very soon be welcoming these 3 new crew members, Sergei Ryazanskiy, Randy Bresnik, and Paolo Nespoli on board.
Сергей, тканевый экран не снимали еще с шпангоута в бытовом отсеке?
Sergey, have you removed the screen
Принято.
from the bulkhead attachment? Yes, we have. Everything is ready. We have removed it. Copy.
So it looks like Fyodor Yurchikhin, the current Expedition 52 commander, at the hatch now. Again, this is a view from inside the Rosviet module. They'll have to open up this hatch, then also the hatch on the Soyuz spacecraft itself. It looks like we're getting very close now. And looks like the first one is open, so the hatch open on the station side. And there you can see the very top of the Soyuz, and that's where the docking probe and everything was deployed earlier during the actual docking. But once that hatch is open, the crew members will be able to come inside, so getting very close now.
Итак, открываем ККТ.
Okay, so we're opening KKT.
ККТ открыт.
KKT is open. Copy.
Открываем КВД.
Open KVD.
Паула, S3 должен гореть.
S3 should be eliminated. I'll confirm S3.
Контролируем выравнивание давления. У нас оно падает.
So monitoring pressure. The pressure is dropping on our side. Yes, that is correct. It should be dropping.
Давление 804 и падает.
Принято.
So
Pressure 704 and dropping.
So again, for those just tuning in, we are just moments away from the hatch opening on the Soyuz side. The hatch is open inside the International Space Station, just one more hatch to go. And then we'll see these three new crew members make their way from the spacecraft into the International Space Station. Sergei Ryazanskiy, Randy Bresnik, and Paolo Nespoli standing by inside. Here in this view, you can see the current station commander, Fyodor Yurchikhin, who opened the hatch up on the Russian side. Just off-screen, NASA astronaut Jack Fisher. And the other crew member currently on board, Peggy Whitson, has floated in and out of view a few times. So they'll be ready to welcome their three new crew members on board momentarily. They're waiting for all the pressures to line up, and then once that's done, the hatch will be open. We'll see these crew members make their way on board.
Субмаску Баре.
MCC Moscow, Bahrain. Go ahead.
При переходе
While
связь на корабле отключаем все полностью сразу.
we're translating from the vehicle, do we deactivate all comm in the vehicle, or do we do it afterwards when we're deactivating the vehicle?
И надо будет сразу же с лица связи.
Execute hatch opening,
Надо будет сразу отключить.
and then you need to turn off the comm immediately upon hatch opening.
Хорошо, принято.
Okay, copy.
Ну и во время консервации
Also during deactivation,
оператор нижнего зала.
operator from the lower control room is going to be talking to you on the loop.
Хорошо.
Okay.
Давление у нас
Pressure is 784.
практически стабилизировалось.
It's almost stabilized.
Нет, 783.
No, it's 783. Copy.
And again, right now, just waiting for the pressure to equalize, again, between the Soyuz and the station. The Ethos flight controller, who overlooks a lot of the life support systems reporting it's starting to tail off, so things looking good. Getting very close now to that hatch opening. In just a few minutes, we'll see 3 new faces move through that hatch and join the crew of Expedition 52.
Check. Okay.
Борис, по Москве.
Barry, MCC Moscow. Go ahead.
Ну, по орбитальному полету
About the orbital flight procedure. Pressure's dropping.
принято.
Copy.
По 35-й странице
For page 35 of the orbital flight procedure, they change the replacement of the scrubbing cartridge in the barrel. Do not execute that step. That is item 4.3. Copy. Thank you.
Не выполнено.
And do not execute item
Да, все верно.
4.3. Just change out the scrubbing cartridge in SA. Yes, correct.
Хорошо.
Okay.
Давление 770 и падает.
The pressure is 770 and is continuing to drop. Copy.
Давление 768.
The pressure is 768. Seems to be stabilizing.
Принято.
Copy.
Принято. 2 минуты стабильно должно быть.
2 minutes, it should be stable.
Принято.
Copy.
And again, we're getting a live view inside of the Rassvet module. That's Fyodor Yurchikhin, the Expedition 52 commander, floating just in the center of your screen. And Jack Fisher, the NASA astronaut, one of the flight engineers on board just off to the left. Should be just a few moments away from the hatch on the Soyuz side getting opened up. And we'll see Sergei Ryazanskiy, Randy Bresnik, and Paolo Nespoli make their way on board the International Space Station.
The pressure is stable. Yes. Close ККТ and КВД.
Закрываем ККТ.
Closing ККТ and closing КВД.
Открываем вручную.
Opening manually.
Да.
Yes.
Ну что, мы вас поздравляем.
Well, congratulations on successful docking.
Счастливо.
We're wishing you a great flight. Thank you very much.
До связи. В общем, открываем.
And now open the hatch manually per page 81.
Принято.
Copy.
После УПЛ надо будет средства связи еще отключить.
And upon hatch opening, you will need to turn off the comm assets in the vehicle. Will do.
Ну все, до связи.
Okay. Talk to you later. Go ahead and execute the steps.
All right, with that, the pressure equalized between the Soyuz and the station. Now ready for the moment of truth, the hatch opening. So stay tuned up, and there it is. We see the hatch opened 6:57 p.m. Central Time, 7:57 p.m. Eastern, with the station just about 257 statute miles over the Indian Ocean.
Сейчас стой, погоди. Дай ключ к северу. Оставляй маленьку. Сейчас вылезаем.
Yes, we're going to climb out.
You can come.
Follow.
Randy, you can go. I'll switch up MS. Yes. Да.
Что-то картинка пропала, не видно вас.
We do not see a video from you.
And so we'll stand by for a moment, try and get that video back. But the hatch is open. That hatch opening time, again, 6:57 p.m. Central, 7:57 p.m. Eastern, with the station flying just over the Indian Ocean.
Там был перерыв 20 секунд, но...
There was a 20-second dropout, but we're waiting for the KU band to tune.
Выключай КБС.
Turn off the comm assets.
Маска приняли.
MCC Moscow, how do you read us?
Включите средства связи.
Yes, you can go ahead and turn off the comm assets. Okay, I'm going to leave the loop.
Там нет картины.
Yes, we do not see the video. Do you see it now? We will check it. Copy.
Спасибо.
Thank you.
And there's our view back inside of Rassvet. And there you can see through the hatchway Sergei Ryazanskiy, the Russian Federal Space Agency Roscosmos. and we'll see shortly, but it may have been Ryazanskiy, the third and final crew member out of the Soyuz, as it appears they are moving on into the service module. So if that's what happened, well, we have a short loss of video there. We should see all of them gathering in the Zvezda service module momentarily, and then once they're all set up, we'll get ready to give them a chance to speak to their friends, family, and some program officials back down in Baikonur. And so for right now, we'll just hang with this really great view of that Soyuz MS-05 vehicle docked to the Rossviet module. You can see the very edge of a solar array just in the right side of your screen as the station continues over the southern part of the Indian Ocean, eventually swinging out over to the south of Australia. The crew on board, they'll get set up over the next couple of minutes inside the Russian service module, and then we'll get ready for them to have a chance to speak with their friends and family back down in Baikonur.
Go ahead. How do you read us? How do you see us? We hear you loud and clear, but we have no video. The switch over to the comm is ongoing. MCC Moscow ISS for Fyodor Nikolaevich on Space Dragon 1. Go ahead. Well, we are not receiving the video right now. We need to figure out why we're missing the video. Okay, we will take a look in a minute. Yes, we sent all the commands. The picture will appear in a minute. Do you see the video? Yes, we're seeing it now. We see you. Do you see the video now? Yes, we see you now. We see you all. Sasha, did the camera go to sleep? It looks like it was on standby as well. Yes, we didn't realize that ourselves. Yes, you should have told us right away. We didn't notice it. We were looking at the crew members.
Понятно, понятно.
Understand, but take that into account.
Да, я говорю, тут за этими надо следить.
Yes, we need to watch that because sometimes the settings get deleted. Remember, we had to enter all the settings from scratch onto one camera. Yes, I remember. You can start the program right now. Everybody is ready.
Мы так готовы.
We're ready as well. MCC Moscow ISS, how do you read us?
Слышим хорошо, как слышно?
We read you loud and clear. How us?
Я так понимаю, Байконур может быть сейчас.
I understand you're going to be talking to Baikonur now. ISS expedition crew is ready to conduct the conference. Baikonur, how do you read to ISS?